What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get to your cabin air filter in your 2022 Nissan Sentra. It's going to be located behind your glove box. We're going to need to drop the glove box down to do that. First thing we're going to need to do is disconnect the damper cable you have here. To disconnect it, all we're going to need to do is actually just pull up on it. Now it will go back behind the glove box. Don't worry, we'll be able to get that later. Now we have these stoppers in our way. We're going to need to just go ahead and just push the glove box in and get the glove box around that so the glove box will come down. Okay. Alright, so the glove box has come down and the cabin filter is located right in here. We're going to need to take this cover off. Now to get this cover off, we're going to go over here to this clip that's right here. And all we have to do is pull it towards us and it'll unclip. We notice on this side, this actually goes inside here. So note that when you go to put it back together, okay, this side is going to have to go on first. Here's our cabin air filter. Note the direction of the airflow. Grab it real quick. All right, so this is our cabin air filter. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can pick a new one up. Okay, this one here, I don't think we're going to change it today. We're going to go another oil change. So when you get your new one, you just slide it back in here. Again, put that right side on first. Snap the door back on. Okay. And then you're gonna wanna grab the damper cable and just pull it out, and you're gonna wanna close the glove box. So it kind of takes two hands to do this, but you're gonna wanna push and get that like that, and then just put this guy right back on. Okay, if you had two hands, it'd be a lot easier. Or if I had two hands, it'd be a lot easier. You just snap it right back on there, close the glove box, and you're good to go. If the video was helpful, do me a favor, hit like, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend.